G'day guys, welcome back. I'm going to do a bloom with the black cell activator. I did one just before, I videoed it, but I scraped it. My black was too thick and it split or flocculated, what's the word? It split. Now, it happened to me before, but now I realise that you have to have your cell activator quite thin. So that was it there. It was sitting, it's been sitting for a while, probably 2 or 3 weeks, 2 weeks I guess. It was 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam Black. The blacks are always much thicker, so this is now 4 to 1. And hopefully it will be all right. I have got Jo Sonja's paints. They have been mixed 3 to 1 with my pouring medium. This is a teal that I made. This is, what's this one? Brilliant Green. I did use this one before, but with the black it kind of went that icky baby poo colour because it must have quite a bit of yellow in it. So let's go with slightly darker green and a little bit of this lilac that I've made. I probably got way too much paint now. That was just magenta with a little drop of blue, and the last one is Brilliant Magenta, so it's the lighter magenta. I've got a dark magenta and a light magenta, but I thought there's no point putting the dark one on if I'm going to use black, so I've gone with the lighter one. Yeah, righto, let's put the black on. Shake, shake, shake. I'm going to use my little blower. It's pretty thin, so I'm just going to do a little blob in the middle there so it doesn't sink. I found if I spread it too far, it kind of sinks. So it's starting to sink now. Oh, it's doing a good job. Yes, it is. Much thinner. Do have to really get that black over the top of the other colours. Still got quite a lot of black in the middle. Maybe I used too much. I'm going to leave it like that. If I start trying to blow more black over there, I'm just going to disrupt those petals. So let's just leave it. So everything will go kind of back into the middle. So we'll just let it do its thing for now. Hopefully the black is going to behave itself. Still looks a little bit odd on the side. I did thin out my white. You know how I made my white last time? I'll just talk about this while that's coming back. I thought I'd try my white at 2 to 1, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. But now that I've thinned my black out, I don't think it's a good idea to do the cell activator so thick, so it's back to 3 to 1. Doesn't even leave a mound. It's really thin. But you want it. You want the cell activator to go sliding across. So, yeah, I think that's better if it just makes it a little bit thinner. Righto, let's see if we can move this. Moving really well. Might as well go straight over that corner, leave a little bit of white for now. I do like the white. And I think especially with the dark cell activator, I think the white would look really quite stunning with it. to the middle. I don't think it's as attractive as the white cell activator. I don't know, it's just, I think if I didn't have the white corners, it would look a bit dark. I just think that the white looks a bit better with the cell activator. Back to the middle. And once it gets to the middle, we can change direction. I don't know, I'm not liking the black. It's still not behaving. Don't know what its problem is. Just going to get rid of that little loopy bit there. So yeah, I don't know really why the black's not working as well as the white. This is lamp black. Maybe there's a different black that's better. Does anyone know, is lamp black the most opaque? Or is there another black that's more opaque? Because it's not really behaving the way I would expect an opaque paint to react. So it's a bit cloudy in the middle there, like split, even though I made it thinner. I made it thick, it's split. I made it thin, it's split. So I think I'll just be doing white. So those of you that know Amsterdam colours, yeah, what's more opaque, lamp black or the other black? I can't remember what it's called, the other black. I bought it online, so I just thought hopefully it's the right one. Okay, let's go down for a close-up and have a look and see what it's done. You do need your cell activator to be a really strong opaque colour. And if it's not, you just won't get the definition of the lacing. See that in the middle? It's just not right. It's just not right. So that was the lamp black. Lamp black. Might have to try a different black and see if it's any better. What else have I got? I might have a Liquitex Basics black. I don't know if that would work or not. I'll have to do some experimenting. Oh, I hate experimenting. It's just a waste of time and a waste of paint, waste of energy. I'll go back to my whites though. Here's the two white ones that I did. That was the first one. That had the 3-to-1 cell activator mix, and then I made it thicker and I went 2-to-1. That was it there. All right. But this little baby here, he will be scraped because that black is just not right. Okay. I'll have a play with the black and I'll be back with more. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.